Hello students, welcome back to KB Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramesh Maurya, your physics teacher. In previous video, we discussed about pressure in liquids. In this video, we are going to discuss about atmospheric pressure and the mercury barometer. I think all of you know that the gaseous layer which surround the earth is known as atmosphere. Atmosphere extends about the height of 400 km above the earth. Atmosphere is mainly composed of the gases nitrogen, which is 78%, oxygen, which is 28%, and some other gases which are found in very less amount. So this air causes pressure on the surface of earth. So the pressure which is exerted by the atmosphere on the surface of earth is called atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is measured by using mercury barometer. The mercury barometer was designed by Torricelli in 1643. So after that we will discuss about mercury barometer. What is mercury barometer? How we can prepare this? So the barometer is the instrument to measure the atmospheric pressure. There are many types of barometers, but mercury barometer is most fundamental barometer to measure the atmospheric pressure. This barometer was invented by Torricelli in 1643, and till now mercury barometer is used to measure the atmospheric pressure. Now I will tell you how to prepare the mercury barometers. So for the preparation of mercury barometer, take a solid glass tube with one closed end. You can see here this end is closed. So one end should be closed and other end should be open. Fill the tube with pure and dry mercury. Pure and dry mercury means there should be no any air bubbles remain in the mercury. So and cover the open end of the tube with your thumb. Now our next step, invert the tube in a throw, or we can say bowl, which is also filled with mercury. You can see that this bowl is filled with mercury. After inverting in the mercury, this mercury should be also pure and dry. After inverting, you remove your thumb from the open end of the tube. When you will remove your thumb, the level of mercury in the tube will fall down and it will stay above the 76 centimeter height from this surface. Means it will stay here, which is 76 centimeter above in tube. 76 centimeter, which is equal to the 760 millimeters or 0.76 centimeter. Here a vacuum will be formed, and this vacuum is known as Torricelli vacuum, and this mercury level the atmospheric pressure. Means 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to the 76 centimeter of mercury or 0.76 millimeter of mercury. Sorry, meter of mercury. So now we can calculate the atmospheric pressure. Here height is 76 centimeter or 0.76 meter. We know gravity 9.8. The formula of pressure P is equal to H rho into G, where H is the height of the liquid, rho density of the liquid which is filled in the tube. So here it is mercury and gravity. So height is 0.76 meter. Here rho density of mercury is 13.6 into 10 to the power 3 and gravity we know it is 9.8. After the calculation we will get that it will be 1.01 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square, or we can say that 1.01 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square is also known as Pascal. So this is the value of 1 atmospheric pressure, which is equal to the 76 millimeter or 0.76 meter of mercury. So today we discussed about atmospheric pressure and the mercury barometers. I told you the preparation of mercury barometer also, and we got the value of atmospheric pressure. So 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to the 1.01 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. That's all. Thank you.